the world famous Jungle Cruise, more fun than a stick in the eye. How about that light street-tacular? Street-tacular. Street-tacular. Then again, you've never seen it before, so why would it matter? Folks, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Aaron. I'll be your skipper here for the next 6 exciting days and 5 romantic nights. We're now in the rainforest here. If you feel a mist on your face, it's kind of cool, kind of nice, huh? Oh. Actually, that mist contains a deadly strain of flesh-eating bacteria. Just one of those added bonuses you get only here on the Jungle Cruise. Over on the right-hand side here, we got the mysterious Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Just look at that line, folks. It could be in there for hours. But you know, you can always tell the popularity of a ride by how long its line is. Yeah. How long did you wait for Jungle Cruise? Oh, never mind. Don't answer that question. Excuse me, sir. Sorry you forgot your bag over there. Sorry you forgot your bag. No, don't worry. She'll catch up soon enough. Over on the left-hand side there, we got a vicious man-eating tiger, 2 crocodiles, and 2 king cobras. Hey, did you know that all these animals you see here are real? That's right, all these animals you see here are real. Yeah, they're just bolted down for your safety. Yeah, safety first, plan afterwards. But you know an interesting fact about that tiger? When he's fully grown, he can weigh 2,000 pounds, jump 25 feet. Right over here in the African, in the elephant bathing pool, just look at all these elephants. Looks like we got the whole herd here. If you like to take pictures, if you have a camera, go ahead. They've all got their trunks on. Look at the Thursday first event, all private show. And did you folks look over the other side of the water over here to the jungle over there? Yeah, you'll see absolutely nothing. Uh-oh. Like the elephant up ahead is going to give us a shower, so just try to hold the boat back so we don't get wet. Alright, we're going to make it by 4. Here we go. Oh, it's too late. She's coming up again. Any folks in the side there? Get down, you're going to get wet. Come to the baby, come to the baby. Looks like she didn't have time to reload, huh? Not enough trunk space there. Didn't want her blowing her nose all over you anyways, right? That's disgusting. What have we got over here, folks? That jungle camp's been taken over by some sumo wrestlers and fur coats. I don't know. Oh, these are just gorillas. See the one at the gun? Just aiming for a splitting headache. And the one at the half, well, he's been trying that out for about 40 years now. So at least they got that gene to start. They finally got it to turn over there. Good job, good job. Over on the right-hand side here, see that gorilla? He's throwing a banana to his pet crocodile. There's something you don't see every day, huh? But I do. Oh, right over here we got Schweitzer ball folks. I'm going to turn the boat here. You folks in the back there, lean on in so you don't get wet. Lean on in there, lean on in. That was a close call, huh? Good old Schweitzer ball. Named after the famous doctor and humanitarian, Dr. Albert Ball. Over on the left-hand side, those huge ears and enormous tusks. It's a great African bush elephant, the second most feared creature of the jungle. And right over here, folks, we have the most feared creature of the jungle. That's right, it's the great African bush elephant's mother-in-law. Oh, don't worry, though, she's perfectly harmless. Dude. Right over here in the African bell, folks, we got a family of zebras, giraffes, canoes, and some lions are in the cave. Can everyone see those lions? They're doing something very important. Yeah, they're protecting that sleeping zebra. Oh. Can you feel the love tonight? And here's that lost body that had so much about. Looks like that rhino trying to get his point across here. But I think the guy in the bottom will get it eventually. In the end. Woohoo! Bottoms up, fellas. Sorry, can't help you guys. Maybe next time round, got a bulldoze. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. We're now headed down the Congo River. Now the Congo, you know, is very famous for one thing and one thing only. It's the various species of hippos it contains. But don't worry, folks. Oh, what's up? You got a charge over there? And it's a bomber warning gun. Come here, come here, man. Oh, down. Just scared away the one in the tree there. Yeah, you gotta watch out for those flying hippos. They come out of nowhere, I tell you. Right over here, folks. See that canoe over there? That's what I call sculpture. You never know what you can make until you put a few heads together. And here we have the natives themselves. Now, I do understand their language, so let me translate what they're saying for you. Yeah, they're saying, you put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in. Well, it's either that or YMCA. And they're the original village people. Oh, what have we got over here? Music critics! Music critics, get down, everyone! after the boat so fast you didn't even see them. Yeah, music code can be really tough, can't they? Maybe you better not stick next time. Oh, looks like I made a wrong turn here. Let me ask those two cans over there from going the right way. Hey, you over there. Am I going the right way? Am I going the right way? Oh, don't worry, folks. I'll get you home here soon enough. Oh, looks like we're entering the rapids here. That's right, we're now just entering Kilimanjaro Rapids. What? We're now just leaving Kilimanjaro Rapids. Right in front of me, we got 4 water buffalo and a boa constrictor snake. Now, if you're scared of snakes, don't worry, because this one's really nice. Yeah, just don't get too close to it, okay? Yeah, you just might get a caress. On you. You don't want to get wrapped up in that one. It's a fatal attraction. But you know, an interesting fact about that snake, when he's fully grown, he can weigh 2,000 pounds, jump 25 feet. Our final touch to the jungle here, bidding us farewell, is Trader Sam. He's our head salesman of the jungle. But sadly enough, business has been shrinking for him. Today's offering you a special, though, yeah. See, look, 2 of his heads, or just 1 of yours. What a deal, huh? Kind of reminds you of that cannibal party I went to last week, yeah? I arrived half an hour late and got the cold shoulder. So I won't do that again, folks. Well, over on your left-hand side we have a dock, and over on your right-hand side we have a dock. We call that a paradox. Over on the docks are going to help you out there. We got a pair of dorks there for you. Do you know what an interesting fact about those dorks? When fully grown, they can weigh 2,000 pounds, jump 25 feet. You folks are the best, most special group I ever had, blah, 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 yada, 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 get up. Flight's over. Go ahead, stand on up here, stand on up. If you're on the side of the dock, you're going to be helped out through the front. If you're on the side of the water, you're going to be helped out by the rear of the boat.